Welcome to Christmas Lights. Christmas Lights. Today I'm going to show you what the difference is. There's actually a couple different colors of white. So here we have the warm white, and this is a light that is most often used. A lot of people like it. And then we have the pure white, or some people call it the bluish looking white. So just to show you, and then this is actually just two different types of bulbs. I'll turn them off and I'll show you the different types of bulbs. But you can actually get this one in that type of bulb also. So warm white is what most people go for, and pure white was a fad about a year, actually our first year Christmas light. So about 4 years ago, everybody wanted pure white. And then everybody went back to pure white looks stupid. I want warm white. So this is just a short video on the two different things. Both of these are C9 bulbs. They are replaceable. You can just screw them right in there. Take the bulb out, screw it in, and that's how it works. But like I say, this is just the difference between pure white and warm white. I'll try to put some pictures up of some pure white pictures of houses we did, and I'll put some pictures up of warm white. But like I say, most everybody nowadays goes with pure white. We have 140 customers, 150 customers, and we got probably 140 of them do warm white. The only other thing is multicolor. We do some multicolor, but even those multicolors are not very done very often. But again, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great Christmas. Thank you. Ho, ho, ho.